We're up in SPB 208. Okay, I'm just showing you the lighting functionality as well. So on the control panel, all the room, the location is set to Eco. There's an EcoPlus if you want to make it slightly brighter, and there's also a whiteboard as well, which drops the lights off nearest to the whiteboard end. So at the moment we're on Eco. We can go a little bit brighter. You get slightly brighter light in the middle beams. If we go to whiteboard, that turns off the beams at the front, it turns off the lights. So you've got peripheral lights left and right, centre lights go off, or then totally off altogether in the room. Okay, so all the room. So if you want a brighter image, obviously drop the lights off. Also, you've got the roller shutter blinds just to bring down as well on each location, and just Eco back to turn those back on. And that's back to Eco mode.